Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net foodish. Ordar mapi, nginwan ramangi hakrdob ying jongpi.
Ka school ba North Eastern Hills University mentakas ngi ka santrik urisaw arajar posaw klaplay pait ba ika integrated teacher education program nagbentaban Pynïar Shemphang ika Nonghikai Donsap bat Shemphang nagbentaban Pynïar yaga Pule Puthi hagi kadan repair. Hagari asngi lawan banyak dan lang du menteri ketenat Rijingri ke Sarkar Jela ba Alexander lalu heng belong mukong san hagas ngi play ke program jeng judging Pule ke bekin thop nadu ke BA, BEd but BSc nagbenta ke samoy trekam jung stem arajar posaw arajar posan. Nakaliang ukong san ba AL hek loyro ekene jing stang ke bayarap kersha nega Ministry of Education uba hek lo batai pensyairu halo ke jing temu jong nega program kalau om tang wan pinmi yake noi kai ke biang bat Shemphang reben long ru kum ginong shongshnong kiuda nega jingket khle. Nakaliang Vice Chancellor jong school ba Nehu Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla ula batai halo ke jing temu bukong san jong nega program bat ru ke ban long kadak ban pin sa nam nega bentak Nonghikai hapo kathan. Ya kena ke program ke basaus nam ke ajung terwa nak bentaki adli ke dan Pule ni ke dual major bachelor's degree daga punya soalang bak subject education haringkat kiwe pat kom ke language social science bak mathematics. Kena ke program ke but thik kat kom ikendon dengan national education policy arajar arpho daga punya jumut hakbede bat kerukom ban pensuk ke jingla ban tho bat Pule bon ligi jai ketien bak jing penon kam ya ketien shnong.
It was restarted again in the year 2007, and after that we are also producing good PhD scholars, distinguished PhD scholars, and now we have also initiated the starting of the ITEP program, or the Integrated Teacher Education Program. And this ITEP program is actually an initiative which was taken by Nehu way back in the year 2022. But we got the letter of intent on the 3rd of October 2023 for the grant of permission to start the ITEP under Clause 7 and 13 of the NCT Regulation 2014 to start the BSc BEd secondary and the BA BEd secondary program. Then again on the 6th of February 2024 under the section 1415(3)(a) of the NCT Act 1993, the Eastern Regional Committee ERC NCTE granted recognition to Nehu to start the ITEP from the academic session 2024-25. So then, of course, Nehu did not look back. We were very happy that we got the permission, and with the initiation from our Honorable Vice Chancellor and all the other teachers from the university, professors, heads, deans, we got a lot of support from them. And finally, we have admitted, we had got an application of more than 300 applications we have got for the ITEP program. And finally, we have admitted 50 and for the BSc BEd and 50 for the BA BEd program. And that was actually the slot given to us by NCTE to fill up only for 2 units we got for now to start. And this, in fact, ITEP is such a prestigious program for the entire country, for India. And out of 64 institutions, Nehu is one of them who has been given permission to start the ITEP. And I would also like to say that a little bit on introduction of the ITEP, that this ITEP program is a 4-year course and consisting of 8 semesters. And this is a dual major bachelor's degree program with 1 major in education and the other in interdisciplinary branch of knowledge. So the student will have 2 majors. One is the teacher education, which is ITEP, and one is the major or the discipline in which he or she is choosing. So therefore, this program we have got the permission to start only for secondary level. That means only the teachers who are passing out from this ITEP program after the 8th semester, they will be eligible to teach class 9, 10, 11 and 12 students in the school. And they will be fully trained in terms of internship, in terms of all the other aspects which is required to have quality teaching in the country. And of course, we also know that in classes 9 and 10, how will the teachers engage the students? They will engage them in 8 curricular areas, where we have learning, we have languages, we have arts, we have physical education, vocational education, sciences, humanities, interdisciplinary areas, mathematics, computational thinking, and also others. And in classes 11 and 12, the students will be engaged to teach, the basics of the, physical education and also the humanities and other subjects, and especially computational thinking. The ITEP course is actually to be conducted for 15 or 16 weeks of teaching learning activities, excluding the end semester examinations. And a semester will consist of a minimum of 96 working days, excluding end semester examinations, and each working week will have a minimum of 40 hours of instructional contact time. So each academic year shall consist of 2 semesters, which we are already having it in our universities. And now the main objective here is to have, we need to create teachers who are passionate, who are motivated, who are well qualified, who are professional, and who are well equipped and capable of designing and implementing developmentally appropriate learning experiences for the students. Because now we can see that in Meghalaya itself, we have a lack of trained teachers. And NEHU coming up with this kind of a program, we will be able to fill the gap of the trained teachers immediately. And the components, I just want to also highlight about the components, that the students induction program will be organized now, which we are having it in the first week of the semester, and we are already starting it today. And the foundations of education will be of 30 credits. Disciplinary and interdisciplinary courses will be of 64 credits, so which is very, very important. And stage-specific content cum pedagogy will be 16 credits. Ability enhancement and value-added course for first semester will be 8 to 28 credits. And school experience and internship will be 20 credits. And community engagement and service will be 2 credits. So we, from the Department of Education, with the help of our implementation committee chairperson, Professor S.M. Sumo, and the other teachers, we have also come up with the curriculum of ITEP, where we have merged it with the FYUP program, and we have merged it in a way where now we are ready to start the course.
Career, like a model teacher of the region, like a model teacher of the state, as well as the nation. 4-year integrated teacher education program, commonly known as ITEP, at the School of Education, Department of Education, Northeastern Hill University. All of you are well aware. And today marks not just a beginning of new academic journey for you, but also a pivotal moment in the evolution of teacher education in our region, state, as well as the country. As we embark on these exciting initiatives, let us take a moment to reflect on the broader vision that guide us at National Education Policy 2020. And the main objective of the National Education Policy, not only to develop or build or shape the future of the student like a skilled man resource in the country, but also to give importance all the languages of the country, either the regional language or the national language or the international language. So all of you have the chance. Your mother language may be the Garo, may be the Khasi, may be the Asmi, may be any other language of the country. Along with the mother language, you must know the national and international language also.
They are coming from the different walk of life. They are really slugging and also working very hard to ensure to meet the ends of yours. They never compromise at any time of any moment to ensure that they have fulfilled the requirements of their children, of the students who are studying here today. The teaching job is a very noble job. We wish you also tomorrow, when you will be growing up, we will finish your course from here, we will be teaching for other students. The importance in your life is the attitudes. The attitudes is very important. We want to see you, all of you are with the positive attitudes. You know, when you have the positive attitude, you don't understand where it will take you. It will take you to, you don't understand where it will take you. You will determine your attitudes. Your attitudes will determine your attitudes. Where you will reach, we don't know. But you will determine your attitudes. So therefore, I always stress this. Always remind to our students, our young students, boys and girls, and everyone, the important, we have so many things now, you're going to learn the skill here, the teaching skill here. But the important skill in your life is the attitudes. It's called the universal skill. It's a universal skill. The attitudes is very important. So I request the Vice Chancellor, the authority of the Northeastern Health University also to provide a full-fledged hostel for all the students who are coming to study here. Whether it is boys or it is girls, the hostel facilities has to be made available. We are placed in the high-position society, but not enough to be in the high-position society if your attitude is not up to acceptability, is not there, then whatever you have been, qualified, your certifications, whatever you have done, it will be all in vain. I'm telling you, if your attitude is not acceptable by all other human beings, so that is very important.